Hello everyone, welcome to my Mathknowsis website updated for the year 2021. This is kind of what it looks like. You can see there's a different layout to everything. But pretty much all the content is the same. There are some new things I added though, such as when you go to tutorials, there's some other tutorial websites, and these are the AutoCAD tutorial websites. CAD Notes is still there with the 100 tips on how to use AutoCAD. And Silva Immersion for up-to-date tips on Autodesk Civil 3D. There's also a link to someone's top 5 Lisp files for AutoCAD. And a Lisp file is basically a customized command for AutoCAD that you can add to AutoCAD and reload it over and over so you can keep reusing it. But there's also Lisp as a code. There's also another link I included to my site that is a collection of different programs for AutoCAD Lisp. But my favorite is Box Text. You can donate to them as well. Box Text is, as you can see here, but I'll just show you how it works in case you're not too sure. So I have AutoCAD already open here. The way to get list files is upload, and each of the list files has a different command. These are the different AutoLisps and the AutoCAD list files folder I created. You can create the directory anywhere. Where you can also have a startup suite and include these as well. But what you can do is you can click on one, control, highlight all of them, and hit load. 12 files are loaded. Okay. Now that's loaded, we can there's a special Lisp called Autoloader, and the command is Autoloader in this case. It says in the file, the AutoLisp file. So Autoloader, and you want to go into the username. Basically, wherever the folder is put, that's where it is. Maybe not the username. It should be under this PC documents AutoCAD list file, and hit OK. Open AutoCAD list files, click on test, you can replace it, and these are all the syntaxes for AutoCAD commands. So for example, if you want to align text, you type in AT. So let's type something. Let's make this one. Oops, let's make this 1. Let's make this. Let's make this 1.5. And let's do this. Let's copy this, CP. Do that here, do that here. Let's rotate it RO. Let's do M for move. RO. Let's rotate it again. And let's select these and do X for explode. That breaks all these into here. Now let's do, select these three. And type in AT for line text. Line spacing, let's just say 5. And there you go, it aligns the text exactly. Now we can move these a little bit, just because I'm trying to show something else a little bit. And let's just move this a little bit here. I'm going to show you another command. Let's try BT or box text. So let's do Control A, BT, 0.1, and it automatically annotates all the text that's there. Guess there's some extra dots here for some reason, but it annotates all the text regardless. And there you have it for that. And there's also tool palettes. I went over some of them in another video. We can go to properties, and this is the zoom macro to zoom in close to full screen but not quite. So if you click that, it zooms you right there. It fits everything. The rest of these are for viewports, so if you use viewports, that might be useful. That's in a different video. There are also, if you go to Express, Tools, come in Alias Editor, you can create your own shortcut key macros for existing commands. I use numbers and apostrophe because it's easier to remember. So some of the more important commands you can include there. And if you need more space, for example, if I type in based on that 2, that would make this big. That's clean screen on, clean screen off. It can be useful, like if you want to see something you don't normally see. So, and there are also macro Lisps that create multiple layouts without you having to create them over and over again on your own. And I leave the properties here because you need to use it a lot of the time. And an object snap settings. These are object snaps, for example, but if you want to be able to keep those settings each time you open AutoCAD, or at least for a while, there is this command called _dsettings, and you can highlight how you want it and hit OK. And let's see, you close the drawing and reopen it. Those options will still stay the same. They don't always stay the same, but it's based on your registry in your computer. And then another cool thing you can do is DC from Design Center. Design Center is here. You can get different kinds of how to put it, different kinds of you can get different kinds of things from there, different kinds of basically templates and things like that. So alright, I hope you like this video. Take care.